Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that SnapX token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, SnapX accelerates on-chain trading with real-time signals, trusted QoL insights, and tools that allow you to filter noise and print gains. SnapX puts you one step ahead with a fast, focused trading experience built for both alpha hunters and crypto community leaders. Catch momentum early with smart signals powered by DEX metrics, social activity, and trending tokens. See which KOL calls actually move markets and follow the ones that deliver real profits. Discover fresh memes and new narratives before they hit their feed. Whether they are new in the space or deep in the trenches, SnapX SnapX makes it easy to filter the noise and print the gains. SnapX took SnapX project institution rating is 3.3 and this project audited by Ceritic. SnapX token total supply is 1.25 billion and circulating supply is around 286.87 million XNAP token. XNAP token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEX, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.